Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Chainlink has seen a reaction to our resistance area, however, not a major reaction, and it might indeed continue to push higher. Very interesting. However, until we have a break out of this descending price channel, we cannot highlight that something more bullish is going on. There's also no need because we haven't got the break out of a pattern and it's still constrained by the pattern. However, obviously, what we can call out here is the descending trend line as a potential breakout point to the upside. So if that level is taken out, it could take it quite quickly to $9.50. Now that's going to be a major one to break through. $9.50 is the key resistance. It's the upper boundary line of the range in which LINK has been moving for more than a year. Okay, so while I'm counting that as at the moment as a 1-2 setup with a projected target down there around 350, which I think is not unrealistic if Bitcoin really comes down to, I don't know, 22K maybe, and the altcoins get another sell-off. But anyway, there's no need to get there, right? As I said, if we're really dealing here with such a choppy structure, we need to be a bit flexible with a micro count. And if we see a break above $9.50, I would first see it as a reset of the wave 4, so that we basically just had a flat structure here in what we can count as, basically an A wave to the upside instead of all of wave 4. Then a B wave to the downside in an ABC structure with an overshooting B wave to the downside. So A, B, and it could form 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, depending on how high the 5 waves become, I will either count that as a wave 4, so that would be C wave in wave 4, or if we go above a certain level, which I think is $11.50 or $11.80, then we can calculate that. Let's just do that in a second. I need to change this actually because I haven't changed it on the shorter time frame chart, but I'll do that later. The micro count here is not so important. Important is that we get the right FIBs. So it shows $14, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement, but let's just add these FIB levels. So yeah, the 38.2 FIB level is the ideal target. That's around $11.20. So if it goes above that range, above $14 basically, then it's not a wave 4 anymore. It could then still be a wave 2. So 1, 2, which would be really bearish. So there are enough options still for the price to form a top. Okay, I will change that all later here on the chart. But what I highlight here is very clearly that 5 waves alone will not overall necessarily make the chart bullish. We need 5 waves up and 3 waves down, which doesn't mean you couldn't trade the 5 waves up. I mean, that's completely different, from me saying long term, I need to see 5 up and 3 down from an analysis point of view, okay? I'm just saying that 5 waves up, as we know, is not enough evidence that a lasting low has been struck. It could simply be a wave 4 or a wave 2 and then break down again. So for anybody who, to protect anybody, okay, you just need to know what the scenario is. And the scenario is 5 waves up and 3 waves down. Now, that doesn't mean you have to wait with buying until we have those 5 up, 3 down. If you buy, that depends on your own trading plan, okay? I'm just saying we need to see that to have more confidence that really the bull run can start. Now, that will mean the price could, in the meantime, go to $20, $25, maybe even in a wave 2, yeah? Just very, very important to understand. But overall, yeah, I mean, I think this chart gets short-term bullish if we break above $9.50. And then I would pay attention to that resistance range I indicated to you. And if we get above that, it can just continue, obviously. So if we get the breakout of the range above $9.50, I will add bullish support. And then we can track a potentially unfolding impulse or diagonal higher until it is peaked. And it will then, if we get to 5 waves, which we need to be skeptical about until we have them, then only if we have them, we can calculate the support area for a potential larger degree pullback trade, into the next bull run structure. So hopefully that's clear. I mean, this structure isn't great. It's not behaving in a great way. We're still in the range, and so far nothing happened really. So it's still caught in this overall never-ending range. I said it many times, I think like a grid bot or range trading is here just the best strategy for anybody who likes to do that manually, or you just use a grid bot. But yeah, until we have the breakout, we just have that, we have the range bound movement, and even a break above the descending trend line here, yeah, the descending channels upper boundary line, we're still caught below $9.50. So if something bullish goes on, then a break above $9.50 could be used as a breakout point and a signal that a larger rally could unfold, first of all, into the resistance area that I mentioned. Okay, that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.